Hey everyone, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today we have got something that's about to upgrade your front door game, the Rebluum wireless doorbell camera with Chime. It promises 2K Ultra HD video and anti-theft siren and also full head-to-toe view. Basically your delivery guy won't ever sneak past you again. Let's unbox this and see if it's worth your front porch real estate or not. So I'm gonna unbox the box very quickly. So inside the box we have got the doorbell itself, and here we have the batteries. Nice and sleek design, not too bulky. Then here is the wireless chime. This one is the wireless chime and this one is the doorbell camera, and just plug in and you're good to go. You also get the usual accessories. Here are the accessories like mounting stuff, mounting plate and screwdrivers, and also quick start guide. And like pretty standard, but everything feels organized and ready to set up. Honestly, points for clean packaging. Nothing worse than tech that feels like it was thrown in just last minute. So let's have a closer look to our doorbell, and like it's sharpened than your average 1080p, so you will actually recognize faces instead of guessing if it's your neighbor or Bigfoot. And head-to-toe view, it's great because you can see the entire person, even that suspicious package they're holding. Anti-theft siren if someone tries to yank this off, or it will scream louder than your smoke alarm at 2 p.m. Also, and of course, the chime itself. All you need to do is just plug it in your home so you don't miss visitors, even if your phone is on silent. Simple but essential. So the setup for this thing is very simple and very easy, straightforward. Just connect to the Wi-Fi through the app and pair the chime and mount it at your door. So we have this quick guide that tells all the information about this, and also you can attach this 24-hour surveillance sticker at your door, and like that's also very good. I'm gonna connect this thing to my mobile app now, and I already downloaded the app. Here is the app for this thing. Let's just scan this. I'm gonna scan manually. So did you hear the chime? It's just finding it. So this device is automatically connected with the app. So next you can just use your like family, and you can use the device setting here and everything. So simple and so easy. We're gonna peel this off. I'm just gonna. So it's saying that there is a visitor. You have a visitor, and now you can just stream the video and you can just talk to them. So for the setup, for the like connection with the Wi-Fi through the app, and it's just pretty straightforward. Pair the chime and mount it at your door. Like I didn't mount it yet, but it will like approximately like maximum it's gonna take your 10 minutes. And the app is where the magic happens. Live view, motion alerts, two-way talk, and you can even tell the delivery guy to leave your package somewhere safe without opening the door. That's the peak of 2025 energy right there. So I really like this device. If you guys want to buy this, and all you need to do is just go in my description links. You will find the link there, so you can go there and see all the details and pricing there. So for the overall, this Doorbell camera is a solid option if you want sharp video and a loud siren and an easy setup without breaking the bank. It won't make your packages disappear, but at least you will know exactly who took them if they do. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest unboxing, and let me know in the comments what's the weirdest thing someone's left at the front door. This is Unbox 7 and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye bye.